Do Citronella candles actually help make outdoor time more enjoyable? How long do they burn? And what do they smell like? These are the questions I wanted to answer before trying this set. If you enjoy spending time outside, but want an easier way to add fragrance and atmosphere to your patio, porch, or backyard, these Citronella candles are worth checking out. One of the biggest questions that shoppers ask is how effective is it against mosquitoes? These candles are designed with citronella, lemongrass, rosemary, and peppermint oils, ingredients that's commonly used in outdoor candle design to help repel mosquitoes while you enjoy your outdoor space. Another question is, how long do each candle burn? Each candle is 9 ounces, and the burn time can vary, depending on the conditions like when and how long you burn each one. But the 6-pack gives you multiple candles to place around your outdoor area. I received this product for honest feedback. And if you're looking for an outdoor candle with citronella, lemongrass, rosemary, and peppermint oil, this is definitely worth checking out. The link is in the description.